All right. So Renzo here again from Mod Factory, back with some quick explainers and some tips to help you run a profitable print-on-demand store with Mod Factory. No? So, by now, dapat i-receive nyo na yung brand Google Drive folder nyo. So, explain ko lang actually paano gumagana yung order dashboard natin. No? So, sabihin natin you have your Shopify store, no? And then, nakakakuha ka na ng orders. So, kapag may new order ka, you just have to wait 24 hours. After those 24 hours, makikita mo na tong tag na to na exported for outsourcing or exported. Tapos once nakita nyo na yung tag na yan, lalabas na siya dito eventually. So yung brand nyo, yung name nung nag-order, yung design, yung SKU, file reference number. So itong file reference number, internal code lang namin to identify where your order is located. Anong date nag-order si customer, anong date na process yung order niya. So within 24 hours naman, except on Sundays, once pumasok sa Shopify nyo, lalabas siya sa order dashboard. So paano nyo naman ngayon malalaman kapag nabigay na sa courier yung item, no? So doon makikita yan dito yan sa AWB column. Once meron ng value to, once meron ng airway bill tracking number, sabihin yan, nabigay na yung item sa courier, no? And then from there, kung gusto niyo naman matrack, sana siya, nasa anong hub na siya, anong location na siya, all you have to do is punta lang kayo sa tracking ng JNT, copy niyo yung airway bill number, and then paste nyo dito, and then you should see kung nasa na yung parcel nyo specifically. No? So, ayun lang naman. So, that's how you use the order dashboard in your brand's Google Drive folder. Alright, yun lang naman. Super quick lang. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully nakatulong.